Oh my goodness, this is really big. That's awesome. That's awesome. What a view. What a view. We should go from here, no?
I'm entrance here.
Entry नहीं है?
क्या ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌದು.
Hey Rahul, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, dude. How are you?
After a long time, Rahul. After a long time. Let me remove this mask. Welcome back to the channel, Bike Map Buddy, and it's me Sagalama. What's up? कैसे हो? कैसे हो? नमस्कार to all. With me Rahul.
Hi.
So we have come to Manchipally Dam. The dam is closed. Police are not allowing people to go to the dam. So we are going to the reservoir now. Maybe due to the pandemic reason, the dam is not opened, I guess. People are not allowing. What do you think, Rahul?
I think so, for the same reason.
Yeah. So all of them who are coming here, they are going to the reservoir. So we'll go and see the, what we'll see? We'll see the water. We need to do a little bit of trekking here. So today is not a good day for me, I guess, Rahul, because things are not happening good with me. I forgot to bring connector. I have a drone, but I can't fly it. And then today, the dam is closed. People are coming back, huh?
That's all, dude. You have to look from here.
That's it. Don't say this, Rahul. How will we enjoy this? So Manchipally Dam is only 40 km from Bangalore. So all of a sudden we both have decided to come here because it's a weekend and we wanted a quick ride today. So that's how we came here. But this won't take us to the water, no?
That's all, dude.
That's not good, yeah? Let's not ruin this day, yeah. Let's figure it out that how can we go to the water. Let's go up, we'll go.
Nothing, dude. All those people.
We have come here, let's go up, no?
They're couples, dude. They are going here to romance. What will we do? That's all. These people are standing here. Can you see that? This is the limit till where you can.
Is that what we have come for? Rahul, I am not feeling that hot, yeah. I mean, what is with you? You have a very hot body, yeah? Hotness. सब कोई यहाँ पर आकर अपने साथ खाना वाना लेकर आए हैं और बैठकर खाना वाना खा रहे हैं. So Manchipally Dam is located in the district of Ramnagara and 40 km from Bangalore. So Manchipally Dam is on the river of Arakavati. See, if they have closed this dam, at least they should have given a wave to the water here. At least. So sad, yeah. At least I'll take your footage only.
So that's the road.
Yeah.
You cannot enter.
But that is closed, no?
They closed it.
Yeah.
इधर employees और officers on. It's not the visitors. नहीं जा सकते इतना ही है.
नहीं जा सकते. People are there on the dam, but it seems like only their staffs are allowed to the dam. बाकी किसी को अलाउ नहीं करें. काफ़ी सारा वहाँ पर vehicles हैं, cars वगैरह खड़े हुए हैं. So I think they are the staffs. What's wrong with you? चलो चलो. Hey, from here at least we can get good views here. If I would not have told you to come here, no?
I wouldn't have come here. You wouldn't have.
No, I would have come here. Even if you don't have come. At least we can see something from here, Rahul. That's the dam. That's the reservoir. I was just checking Google and it was written like 200 people have lost their life between 2006 to 2011 in this reservoir. So this reservoir could be very dangerous to get into the water even if you are a good swimmer. See, I don't know बट आई जस्ट कीप ऑन वॉकिंग, विल सी कहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं. राहुल, कम हियर, कम हियर, कम हियर. अरे बाबा, लिसन, देयर इज अ गुड प्लेस. At least I got good view from here. So that's the dam. ऊपर वो पहाड़ है, इस तरफ भी थोड़ा सा पहाड़ है, ये पूरा रिजर्वर. I don't know, but it seems like this is the way to go down. अभी इतना दूर आए हैं तो ऐसे वापस जाना तो बनता नहीं है. पानी के पास तो नहीं जा सकते, पर जितना करीब हो सकता है वहाँ तो जाएंगे. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट कमिंग हियर. आई थिंक दे डोंट नो दिस प्लेस और दे डोंट नो दिस रूट. फाइनली बहुत करीब आ गया हूँ मैं. काफ़ी देर से यहाँ पर बैठा हूँ और अच्छा लग रहा है, सुकून सा लग रहा है. पहले ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार आकर गलत कर लिए क्योंकि डैम बंद है. सो थोड़ा सा रिग्रेट फील हो रहा था, बट अभी अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे यहाँ पर आकर. थोड़ा सा गर्मी है आज, तो धूप नहीं है ऊपर, फिर भी ह्यूमिड काफ़ी लग रहा है, पसीना आ रहा है. अभी थोड़ा सा ट्रैक भी करना पड़ा था, थोड़ा सा चढ़ाई करना है आपको. सो दैट हियर राहुल कम्स. See, Rahul, is it not a good location now you tell me? It's nice, no? So Mancheville is a small village which is on the outskirts of Bangalore, named Magadi Taluk, which is in Ramnagar. So you can see the big reservoir behind me. This is used to promote irrigation and farming in the nearby localities. वो डैम देख रहे हो आप, छोटा सा डैम है ये कोई ज़्यादा बड़ा डैम नहीं है. बट ये डैम को देखकर मुझे हमारा डैम का याद आ गया, हीराकुड डैम, which is the longest dam in the world. I have made a video of that dam also. अगर आपने देखा नहीं है तो आई बटन में मैं दे देता हूँ. प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच दैट डैम, इट्स सो बिग. आई थिंक द लेंथ ऑफ द डैम इज़ 5 किलोमीटर. सो यू कैन सी हाउ बिग द डैम इज़. ये काफ़ी छोटा है, दिस इज़ नॉट इवन 1 किलोमीटर. सो गाइज, डैम बंद है तो क्वेश्चन आता है कि शुड यू गाइज कम टू दिस प्लेस. मैं बोलूँगा कि अगर डैम बंद है तो दिस प्लेस मे नॉट ऑफर यू मच, but still if you can come to this location where I'm standing right now, which is very close to the reservoir and dam, then it will be worth to come here. Sunset हो रहा है तो हवा भी धीरे धीरे चल रहा है, तो अभी अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ तक आने के लिए कुछ भी डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं है. जो ट्रेल है काफ़ी ईजी है, बहुत ही ईजी है. Anyone can come. It's a muddy trail with tall grasses and some small boulders you will find. But that's, I think, fine for you guys because most of you are adventurous and love trekking. I don't know the lyrics, but I can lip sync. Run away. The sun is setting. वहाँ पर टाइम लैप्स चल रहा है. I'll show you the time lapse. आप देखो, एंजॉय करो. From here to here, jumping. Let's try it again. From here to there. This place is kind of prohibited because पुलिस वाला आया और हमें मना किया यहाँ पर बैठने के लिए. But then we told him that हम यहाँ पर आए हैं कुछ पिक्चर लेने के लिए. तो वो फिर बोला कि ठीक है बैठो, बट नीचे मत उतरो. तो गाइज़, अगर आप यहाँ पर आते हो इस पॉइंट में आते हो जहाँ पर मैं अभी हूँ, तो ये प्रोहिबिटेड है अगर पुलिस वाला पूछता है, पर डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं है। हाउ डू यू फील राहुल हियर?
Feeling good, relaxed.
Yes, it is relaxed here. Very calm place, right?
Yeah, very comfortable. You'll get your ass burnt if you come here during summer and you sit on this rock.
This is a good place for a day ride, but the ideal time to come in this place is only in the morning and in the evening. Afternoon time, I think there will be very hot and you will be sweltering throughout the day. Right now, I am feeling very thirsty because I have not carried water bottle, so I have to go quickly from here. Sun has also set. It's getting little bit dark now, so अभी हम निकलते हैं. So time to go back now. So time is 5:40 and it will become dark in another 10-15 minutes. ठीक है, अभी फिर हम चलते हैं और वीडियो को यहाँ पर एंड करते हैं. If you have enjoyed the vlog, please like, share and subscribe and keep supporting my channel. And if you are new to the channel, please press the subscribe button. Thanks for making me part of the race. See you in my next vlog. Until then, live a beautiful life, ride safe,
Make memories.
make memories. Bye bye. So guys, अगर यहाँ पर आकर आप ड्रोन उड़ाना चाहते हो तो आप ड्रोन नहीं उड़ा सकते हो. ड्रोन यहाँ पे उड़ाना मना है.